In a world where security and defense make the difference, technological innovation is the key. Anticipate, adapt, act with precision. Operational superiority begins with the right information and training. At Arsoft, we drive the digital transformation of the defense sector. We develop advanced technological solutions to train, plan, and operate with maximum efficiency. We're revolutionizing defense with interactive 3D solutions and XR technologies. We turn manuals into immersive experiences, create virtual simulators for safe, realistic training, and digitize inspections and maintenance to optimize operational performance. We support every stage from design to field deployment. Are you ready to lead the change?